Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the metabolism of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the major source of energy. Approximately 55% of total energy required for our body is supplied by the carbohydrates. The dietary carbohydrates, after digestion, they absorbed into the blood and the blood transport to the liver and cells. In the liver and cells, the glucose is phosphorylated to glucose 6-phosphate. The glucose 6-phosphate is not come out from the cell because there is no permeability across the cell membrane. Glucose 6-phosphate is a substrate for so many metabolic pathways like glycogenesis, HMP shunt pathway, glycolysis. Metabolism of carbohydrates part 1, glycolysis. Glycolysis definition: glycolysis is a catabolic process in which glycogen or glucose is partially oxidized to pyruvate or lactate. However, the fate of pyruvate depends on the redox state of the tissues. The site of oxidation is cytosolic phase of the cell. The pathway is also known as Embedden-Meyerhof pathway or EM pathway. The enzymes required for this process is located in the soluble part of the extra mitochondrial layers. Glycolysis is two types. Number 1 is aerobic, number 2 is anaerobic. Oxidation of glucose takes place in the presence of oxygen is known as aerobic glycolysis. When it takes place in absence of oxygen, which is named as anaerobic glycolysis. It occurs in almost all the tissues of the body. Glycogen, a polysaccharide stored in the liver and muscle, is phosphorylated to form glucose 1-phosphate by the enzyme phosphorylase. The glucose 1-phosphate is converted to glucose 6-phosphate by the another enzyme phosphoglucomutase, which requires magnesium. When glucose is present in the cell, it is phosphorylated to form glucose 6-phosphate in the presence of hexokinase or glucokinase. Glucose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 6-phosphate in the presence of the enzyme phosphohexose isomerase. This is the second enzyme of the glycolysis. The third enzyme of the glycolysis is phosphofructokinase, which requires ATP. What is the function of phosphofructokinase? It converts the fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. So, the fourth enzyme of the glycolysis is aldolase. The substrate for aldolase is fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, which is breakdown into 2,3 carbon units, dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate is not a substrate for the remaining steps of the glycolysis, hence it is isomerated to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate by the enzyme phosphotriose isomerase, or it is also converted to alpha glycerophosphate in the presence of the enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, which required NAD, H+ and H+. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate in the presence of the enzyme 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde dehydrogenase, which requires the NAD+. Here NAD+ is reduced to NADH+ and H+, which is almost equal to 3 ATP molecules. The sixth enzyme of the glycolysis is the phosphoglycerokinase, which converts 1,3-DPG to 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Here, one inorganic phosphate is transported directly ADP to form ATP. This type of phosphorylation is known as the substrate level phosphorylation. The phosphoglyceric acid, that is the seventh enzyme phosphoglyceromutase, which is its substrate is 3-phosphoglyceric acid, which converts to 2-phosphoglyceric acid. The eighth enzyme is enolase. Enolase converts 2-phosphoglyceric acid to phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Here one ATP molecule is the ninth enzyme, that is pyruvate kinase. Pyruvate kinase converts phosphoenol pyruvic acid to pyruvate. Here one ATP molecule is generated because the one inorganic phosphate is directly transported to ADP to form ATP. This type of phosphorylation is also known as the substrate level phosphorylation. In anaerobic environment, pyruvate is directly converted to lactate in the presence of lactate dehydrogenase. Here the NADH plus and H plus, which are generated from 1,3-DPG oxidation, they are reoxidized to the NAD. The summary of the pathway. Step 1. Conversion of glucose to glucose 6-phosphate in the presence of hexokinase or glucokinase. Number 2. Glucose 6-phosphate to fructose 6-phosphate in the presence of phosphofructoisomerase. Number 3. Fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate in the presence of the enzyme phosphofructokinase. Number 4. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate to dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate in the presence of the enzyme aldolase. DHEAP is not a substrate for remaining steps of the glycolysis, hence it is isomerized to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. If DHEAP is converted to alpha glycerate, which is a linking point between EM pathway and glycerol of the lipids. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted to 1,3-DPG in the presence of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde dehydrogenase. It is inhibited by iodoacetate or arsenic. 1,3 step. 1,3-DPG is converted to 3-phosphoglycerate by phosphoglycerokinase. An ATP is generated due to the transfer of inorganic phosphate to ADP. This type of phosphorylation is known as substrate level phosphorylation. 7th step. 3-phosphoglycerate is converted to 2-phosphoglycerate in the presence of phosphoglyceromutase. 8th step is 2-phosphoglycerate is converted into phosphoenol pyruvate or PEP in the presence of the enzyme enolase. PEP is converted to pyruvate in the presence of pyruvate kinase. One ATP is generated due to the transfer of phosphate to ADP. This is also called substrate level phosphorylation. In glycolysis, there are 3 irreversible steps, 1, 3 and 9. They are indicated by the single edged arrow. The regulation of glycolysis. It is regulated at 3 steps which are irreversible and exoergonic. Enzymes and hormones are also involved in the regulation of the glycolysis. Enzymes are hexokinase, phosphofructokinase 1, pyruvate kinase. Hexokinase is inhibited by its product glucose 6-phosphate. Liver glucokinase is inducible and its synthesis is increased in response to the insulin and decreases in response to the levels of glucagon. Fructose 2,6-bisphosphate is the potent effector of phosphofructokinase 1. Phosphofructokinase 2 is a bifunctional enzyme. It has kinase activity which converts fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 2,6-bisphosphate and phosphatase activity which converts fructose 2,6-bisphosphate to fructose 6-phosphate in high levels of glucose. Phosphofructokinase 1 is an inducible enzyme that increases in response of insulin. Glucagon decreases its synthesis. Pyruvate kinase. Its synthesis increases with high insulin levels and decreases with high glucagon levels. It is activated by fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, high carbohydrate diet inhibited by ATP, starvation, diabetes mellitus. Significance. It is the principal route of glucose metabolism for ATP production. Fructose and galactose also metabolize through this pathway. It produces ATP in absence of oxygen for the survival of tissue. Pyruvate is the precursor of amino acid alanine, acetyl-CoA, of TCA cycle, fatty acid biosynthesis, ketone bodies, etc. Supply of 2,3-DPG requires for the function of hemoglobin in the transport of oxygen. Energetic. The overall reaction produces two molecules of pyruvate from one molecule of glucose. Here glucose first converted to glucose 6-phosphate. Here 1 ATP is required, that is indicated by minus ATP. Fructose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Here 1 ATP is required for activation, that is indicated by minus ATP. 2 molecules of 1,3-DPG is converted to 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate. Here 2 ATP molecules are generated by substrate level phosphorylation, indicated by plus 2 ATP. PEP is converted to pyruvate. Here 2 ATP molecules are generated by substrate level phosphorylation. It is indicated by plus 2 ATP. 2 NADH plus are generated during the glycolysis. They are reoxidized through respiratory chain and produces 6 ATP molecules. As per the modern theory, 2 NADH plus and H plus are oxidized to form the only 2 into 2.5 ATP molecules, that is equal to 5 ATP. So net ATP generated during aerobic glycolysis is 8 ATP or 7 ATP molecules. Pyruvate in anaerobic glycolysis is converted to lactate. During this conversion, 2 NADH plus and H plus generated during the conversion of 1,3-DPG to 3-phosphoglyceric acid is reoxidized to NADP. Rappaport-Levering cycle. It takes place in erythrocytes because mitochondria is absent in erythrocytes. 1,3-DPG produced in normal glycolysis is changed to 2,3-DPG, which is catalyzed by the 2,3-DPG mutase, which is changed to 3-phosphoglycerate without formation of ATP because ATP is not required for erythrocytes. Significance of Rappaport-Levering cycle: prevents accumulation of ATP. 2,3-DPG is required in the transport of oxygen to the tissues. Disorders of glycolysis: 1. Hemolytic anemia. Pyruvate kinase deficiency leads to the hemolytic anemia. Second disorder is lactic acidosis. Here the lactic acid is accumulated due to the decrease in the consumption or destruction of lactic acid or utilization of lactic acid, or more lactic acid is produced during the glycolysis. Thank you.